Everyone wants to crack exams like
SAT and ACT.
But here's the truth. Hard work alone is not enough anymore. In competitive exams, you don't just need to study. You need to outwit your competitors. Ask yourself this. Do you have a clear game plan? A strategy that tells you what to study, how to study, and when to revise? If yes, that's great. Stay consistent. But if not, don't gamble with your future. At Roy Academy, we already have a proven plan in place. Personalized study paths, smart testing, focused revision, and mentors who guide you at every step. Success is not accidental, it is planned. If you don't have a plan yet, join us. Let's build one together.